Friends, today we are going to talk about a business that has a fast growing market with a demand all year round with repeat customers. Yes, it is the diaper manufacturing business. The demand for these diapers is constantly increasing in every city, town, and village, whether it is for babies or adults. Moreover, this diaper market is growing steadily due to lifestyle changes, increasing health awareness, and the growing middle class population. So, if you're looking for a manufacturing business that is potentially future proof, scalable, and may provide sustainable long term income when properly managed, then this video will be very useful. In this video, we will take a complete look at how to start a diaper manufacturing business. So, don't forget to watch the video until the end. And to know more of such unique business ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Come, let's start. Hi, friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Types of diapers and market scope. First, before starting diaper manufacturing, it is important to understand the types of diapers available in the market and what is in high demand. In the market, there are two main types of diapers. One, baby diapers, and the other is adult diapers. Within baby diapers, there are disposable diapers, cloth-like breathable diapers, and pant-style pull-ups. These are the most popular. Meanwhile, the demand for adult tape-style and band-style diapers is growing rapidly due to the increasing incidence of incontinence among the elderly and increased health awareness. Moreover, the global baby and adult diaper market is expected to reach $141 billion by 2030. This is a very rapid growth, especially for a product that is used daily. While the demand is increasing in major cities, people in small towns and villages have also started to accept diapers. Simply put, the industry has been growing steadily for decades and is positioned to become one of the more promising manufacturing businesses. Conducting market research. Before investing in any business, proper market research is crucial. So you should visit medical stores, baby product stores, wholesale markets, and hospitals in your area to see which type of diapers are selling the most, which brands are popular, what prices they are selling at, and compare features like absorbency level, comfort, material thickness, elasticity, and packaging. Understanding these details will help you decide whether to start a baby diaper business, an adult diaper business, or both. Also, it is very important to understand the profit margins that distributors and retailers expect. This research will help you decide the quality of diapers you want to produce, the sizes you want them to be available in, the packaging, and your pricing model. A good research helps reduce risk and can guide you in the right direction. Business registration. Once you have done your market research, the next step is to formalize your business through proper registration. First, you need GST registration to legally operate in India and sell across states. Next, Udyam MSME registration helps you access government facilities, subsidies, and loans easily. Apart from this, larger companies also require a trade license and factory license. Also, since diapers are a hygiene product, getting a BIS certificate increases people's trust in your product. The most important is trademark registration so that no one can copy your brand name and logo. Also, these registrations and legal permissions may vary according to your states, so it is best to consult a good legal advisor. Get raw materials. The quality of your diapers depends on the raw materials you use. The right raw materials make your product soft, highly absorbent, rash-free, and comfortable. Key ingredients include non-woven fabric that forms the soft outer surface of the diaper, fluff pulp and sap, that super absorbent polymer that absorb water and moisture, elastic bands that improve the fit, polyethylene film that prevents leakage, adhesive tape or Velcro strips used for closure, and packaging material that makes the final product attractive. You can find most of the suppliers for these materials in your states or on platforms like India Mart, Trade India, and Alibaba. Source machinery and equipment. Machines determine the speed, quality, and cost of your production. There are two types of machines for diaper production: semi-automatic and fully automatic. Semi-automatic machines are economical and suitable for small-scale startups. On the other hand, full automatic machines produce much faster and require less manpower, but their cost is higher depending on the process. In addition, you will need an air compressor, packaging machine, cutting tools, and quality testing equipment. Remember, the cost of these machines varies depending on the process and size, and this price can change at any time. Select location and space. Choosing the right location is another important factor. You need a space that provides enough space for machine installation, raw material storage, finished goods storage, and free movement of workers. You will generally need 1000 to 2000 square feet to start a plant with a semi-automatic machine, while you may need 3000 to 5000 square feet for a fully automated unit. The location should be well connected to major roads for easy transportation of materials and raw materials. Also make sure that the area has a stable power supply, proper ventilation, and safety measures. Financial planning and investment. Before starting any business, a financial plan will help you clearly estimate your investment, operating costs, and expected profits. The total investment for a semi-automated setup, including machinery, raw materials, labor, rent, packaging, and marketing, is approximately 15 to 30 lakh rupees. That's approximately 3 million. A fully automated unit will cost up to 1 crore, that is approximately 10 million. But its production capacity is much higher. Moreover, this includes raw materials, electricity bills, labor, machine maintenance, and distribution costs in the monthly expenses. Also, diapers are a volume-based product, so the more you produce and sell, the greater your potential for higher profits in favorable market conditions. Steps in the manufacturing process. The diaper manufacturing process is simple, but requires precision. First, a roll of non-woven fabric is placed in a machine, which forms the base layer. Then, layers of fluff pulp and sap are added, forming the main absorbent component of the diaper. The machine then cuts and forms the shape of the diaper. Leg openings and elastic at the waist are added for comfortable wearing. Velcro or adhesive tape is then used to make the diaper sealable. The machine then cuts the diaper into individual pieces. Each diaper then undergoes quality tests, where absorbency, leak resistance, softness, and shape accuracy are tested. Finally, the diapers are packed in branded pouches using a packaging machine ready for distribution. Sales and marketing. Success in the business often depends on effective sales and marketing, along with product quality, market timing, and competitive pricing. You can sell your diapers to medical stores, baby product stores, general stores, supermarkets, wholesale markets, hospitals, and clinics. You can also sell them on online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and Meesho. Most importantly, building a strong brand is crucial, so keep the packaging attractive, highlight features like extra absorbent, soft and rash-free, and leak-proof, and keep the price competitive. Apart from that, distributing sample packs will help you get customers in quickly. Next, create videos on social media that demonstrate how your product is made to build trust and offer good returns to distributors so they can quickly promote your product to the market. So friends, this was the complete step-by-step guide to starting a diaper manufacturing business. If you choose the right machine, maintain good quality, build strong distribution, and create a trustworthy brand, this business has the potential to become highly profitable and sustainable for the long term with proper execution and market conditions. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.